In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to do a quick and simple oil change on a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado Z71, and this goes for the 5.3 and 6.2 liter engines. First step is to remove the oil cap. Next, it's time to locate the oil filter, located right next to the oil pan, right past the splash shield. With your catch pan in place, go ahead and remove it. Use a filter wrench if needed to remove it. Before installing the new one, lightly oil the gasket, then hand tighten the new filter. With your catch pan beneath it, remove the drain plug with a 15mm socket or wrench. After the oil has drained, it's time to go ahead and put the plug back in and clean up our mess. Next, we'll go ahead and add the 8 quarts of oil. Make sure you reset your oil life monitor through the dash settings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like these.